Okay everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to set timer on and timer off on your Hisense air conditioner remote control. Okay, and before you perform that setting, first of all you need to set up your clock setting on your remote control. That will make the accurate timer on and timer off to your time zone. Okay, and if this clock not set up, so it will not get the correct function to the time that you want. Okay, and to make change the clock on your Hisense remote control, check out the link in the description. How to change the clock on your Hisense air conditioner remote control. Okay, now get back to our video. To set the timer on, press the timer on button here, and after that now you see the logo on and the time here. Okay, press once more time, and now the time here you can make change it with the temperature upper or down button. For example, I want it to on at 18, it means 6 p.m. and then you press timer on once more time to confirm, and after a while it will change back to your normal time zone. Okay, and please make sure that when you press timer on to confirm the setting, you need to point your air conditioner output. You need to point your remote to your air conditioner receiver to make sure that your air conditioner receives the signal, and you can hear the beep sound on your air conditioner. That means it receives the signal. So make sure that your air conditioner already have the power supply to it. Okay, and the timer off, you do the same thing. Just press the timer off button, and after that you will see the letter off here and the number of the time is blinking. Now I want it to off at, wait a minute, 19. Okay, and after that you just confirm with the timer off button. And now it get back to the normal time operation. Okay, and if you want to cancel the timer setting, for example you want to cancel the timer off, just press the timer off one time and then you will see the off logo disappear, and for the timer on just press it one time again and then it will disappear the function too. Okay, and then you press it once more time, it shows the same function as the I showed at the beginning. Press another time to select and confirm. Okay, and now I want to cancel both timer. Okay, so now that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can set up the timer on and timer off on your Hisense air conditioner remote control. Please make sure that when you confirm the operation, just point your remote to your air conditioner receiver to make sure that your air conditioner receive the signal from your remote. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.